Hey there everyone, I'm George and welcome to my very first YouTube video. So let me be honest, I may not be a digital native, but I've been around technology for a long time, and lately I've fallen down the rabbit hole of AI and tech innovation. Now, I may be a little older than your typical YouTuber, but hey, tech isn't just for the younger crowd. Today, I'm here to show you that it's never too late to dive into new technology or pick up a new passion, like starting a YouTube channel. If you're like me, and maybe you have a love for AI or tech, but you don't want to get lost in all the noise out there, I'm here to bring a practical, no-nonsense take on these topics and make it fun. We'll be exploring everything from AI apps that can make our lives easier to the latest gadgets that are actually useful. And of course, I'll be sharing what I learned along the way without all the fancy jargon. One thing I've realized is whether you're 30 or 60, tech is just about curiosity. And as I start my YouTube journey, I hope you'll join me. We can learn together, laugh at the mishaps, and maybe even get a little smarter. So if you're interested in tech, AI, or just learning something new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll be posting videos on everything from tech tips for us seasoned enthusiasts to AI topics that are actually exciting. And hey, drop a comment below if there's something you want me to explore. I'm all ears. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, tech is for everyone. Let's dive into this journey together. And a big shout out to Mindful AI Media Creations for making this possible. Don't forget to subscribe